Hello, welcome to KLASSEN. Today we will look on something very special and unique. The first VIP Sprinter armored. So we use the Sprinter based on the 519 model, so Sprinter 519, the 5-ton version. We armor it, and after the armoring we do the VIP interior inside. Let's go, have a look inside. Starting from the driver area, you see also the driver area completely adapted to the VIP version. Here you can have a look on the window, which going up and down. So we have the driver window and passenger door window, possibility to raise and pull down the glass. Then we have the back side. From this door the VIP area starts. So here behind this door is something very special. So this door is electrically, and behind this door is the entrance in the VIP area of the car through an armored door with the armored glass. Let's go in the inside. Here in the interior we have many different features. One of the main features is we installed a computer. So we have here in the drawer installed a very fast and professional computer which you can use. And also we have an installed camera, so you can use the keyboard. So each seat have a table, and you can work or start also a conference call. So you can use this armored VIP Sprinter also in mobile office. So here in the interior we have the S-Class seats, fully reclinable, so we can recline the footrest. So all 4 seats have a footrest, and we can recline to the back to have a possibility to sleep, also to travel comfortable. Everything in this car is controlled by the iPad, so all functions you see in the interior, the seat, the ceiling, the tables, the TV, everything you can control here from the iPad. Also the air condition in the car you control from the iPad. Here we can have a look, we can change the colors from the iPad, the ambient light. So now we go to the controls. Here we can see the air condition. From here we control the temperature and also how strong it should work. Here by the multimedia, we have different multimedia functions. We have installed an Apple TV, so where we can look movies, hear music, or we have also the possibility to look at the cameras. So we have here the function. Also when the doors are closed, we have the possibility to see what's happening in the front of the car or behind the car. So this we control everything from here. And each seat have the options. Here we can show you press the button and can open then the table from each seat. Here opening, you can control it from the tablet or also from the buttons here. Additionally, we have some storage places here, for example, for the remote controls or for some other things. Here we have the fridge, a big fridge for cool drinks, a storage place. Here inside we have a special developed system, and here I want to show what we developed. We press the button, we see here the green light means the door you can open, the orange light means the door is closing, red means that the door is prohibited to open, so it's not possible, the door is closed. This is specially developed that in an emergency situation, or you have from the VIP area also the possibility to open the door. For example, if something happens, emergency situation, or if in this moment nobody is there, so you have here the possibility to open. You press the button for opening the door, you wait a moment, you see the orange light, that means you need to wait, and the full green light, that means it is possible to open the door and go outside. So this is a special development for the system if you have an additional armored door for entering the inside of the car. In the back we have a seat bench. We will look now at it. So we have a seat bench with additional 3 places, which you can recline also to sleep. And this is an important option in this car, an emergency exit. You can easily open it in an emergency situation to exit through the rear wall. Here in the rear, also a special point is what we developed. The rear seat bench we installed higher, so we do in special construction. So you can see here a step. So when you're entering from the inside, here is a step, and the seat bench is installed higher. So that the main reason is for this situation, if these 2 people looking at TV, that you can comfortable also look at the TV. So the seat bench is installed higher to have the possibility without any problem and comfortable look at the TV, movie, or also the presentation which is done by other persons. Here I want to show you from this area. This is the VIP seat from where you have the main control. In the near you have the iPad. Here you have the main buttons to open and close the table and put down and up the TV. Also you have here different connections, 220 volt for charging your notebook, your iPhone or iPad, the 12 volt a USB connection to the TV, or HDMI, where you can put your notebook on the table, connect to the through the HDMI cable to the TV and do a presentation. This is the Alpine multimedia system. From here you control. Here you have the possibility to connect your phone via Bluetooth to it, to play music or do also conference calls from here. You have the possibility to hear the radio or switch between DVD or the movies or what coming from the TV. Here we have some additional storage places for this seat with additional charging options. So each seat have the possibility to charge his phone or iPad. For the glasses we installed manual blinds, so you can easily and fast open to look outside what happens there, or if you want to have the fully privacy, you just close it, and then if you want to look outside, you have the possibility to look through the cameras what's happening in the front or in the rear of the car. Thank you for watching this video. We are happy to present you one of our latest products based on the Sprinter, which is the first which the company KLASSEN built based on the Sprinter. We first armored it, and after we do a VIP interior inside with the maximum comfort inside. Thank you for following our channel. If you like this video, put a like on this video, and we will show in the future many more projects which we have now in production.